Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Again, as you know, we have two periods today. So I'll start to solve with you exercise 7 star. Exercise 7 star revision, page 371. This is our exercise 7 star, page 371. I'll solve all the problems with you, inshallah, as a revision. Again, we have three kinds of question. Number one, the first kind of question, simplify. So factorize numerator and denominator, then cancel, simplify. Second, write as a single fraction. So it is not allowed you to clear the denominator because I want the answer as fraction. And the third, solve the equation. Okay? Now, question number one, simplify. 2x plus 14, I'll factorize up and down. I'll take 2 as a common factor up. Now open brackets, 2x divided by 2 equal x and 14 divided by 2 equal 7. Down between 3 and 21, there is a common factor 3. I'll open brackets, 3x divided by 3 equal x and positive 21 divided by 3 equal positive 7. Now I have two brackets up and down, x plus 7. Cancel them with each other, give you 1. And what's left? 2 over 3. Easy. Now in question number 2, I have 3 terms over 3 terms. I'll factorize up by making 2 brackets multiply with each other and down also 2 brackets multiply with each other. Here I factorize x into x squared into x and x. Positive 11 maybe comes from positive times positive or negative times negative. The answer here in the middle, the sum is negative 12. So this 11 of course come from negative times negative because I want the product positive and the addition sum is negative. So I'll take negative 1 times negative 11 and the sum equal negative 12 like this. Brackets negative 1 and the other brackets negative 11. Now here I have x squared plus 4x minus 5. Factorize x squared into x times x. Negative 5 comes from positive times negative. Comes from 5 and 1, not more. So I'll give the bigger the positive sign of the middle. So 5x, positive 5 and negative 1. Now I have two brackets, the same, x minus 1 up and x minus 1 down. So it will be 1. What's left? X minus 11 over x plus 5, like this. In question number 3, also simplify. I have up 3 terms, factorize into 2 brackets, and down square minus square, factorize into 2 brackets. Here, x squared is x times x, 28 positive, comes from maybe 2 numbers positive or 2 numbers negative. But the middle, the sum is positive. So here, I'll use the all numbers positive. 7 times 4, the product is 28 and the sum is 11. Positive 7 and positive 4. And the down, I have square minus square. So I open 2 brackets exactly the same, but one positive and one negative. So the square root of x square is x and x. Square root of 49 is 7 and 7. One positive and one negative. Now I have x plus 7 up and x plus 7 down. Cancel them, give me 1. What's left? X plus 4 over x minus 7. This is the answer or the simplification. In question number 4, also I want to simplify this fraction. I have 3 terms up and 3 terms down. Now I'll factorize the 3 terms into 2 brackets. X squared is x times x. Positive 10 comes from either positive times positive or negative times negative. But the sum, middle term is negative. So I'll use 2 number negative. Don't forget that you can get this 10 from 10 times 1. Yes, and the sum is 11. So I'll take negative 10 and negative 1. Down, 3x squared minus 29x and 10. So I'll try it on the x way. 3x squared comes from 3x times x. And this 10 comes from maybe 2 times 5, maybe 10 times 1. I want here negative 29. So I'll try 3 times 10 equal 30 and 1 times x equal 1. So the difference between them equal 29. I wanted the sign is negative, so I'll give the 10 negative and the 1 positive. The brackets will be 3x plus 1 and the other brackets x minus 10, like this. Cancel x minus 10 with x minus 10. What's left? X minus 1 up and the 3x plus 1 down. The second group of problems from number 5 to 8, he said express as a single fraction. So I'll use my way cross, okay? Or I can't clear the denominator. Don't say I'll multiply by 54 up and down. No, because he wants single fraction. Okay, now down will be 9 times 6, okay, and the up 3 multiply x minus 1 times the 9. So I wrote 9 times 3 open brackets x minus 1, like this. Plus decent sign, wallahi. 6 times 2 open brackets x plus 1. Now start to distribute. 9 times 3 equal 27. 27 times x equal 27x. 27 times negative 1 equal negative 27. 6 times 2 equal 12. 12 times 6 times x equal 12x. And the 12 times 1 equal 12. And the down 54. Now collect the like terms together up. You have 27x and 12x. So we have 39x. Negative 27 and positive 12. So we have negative 15. All of them over 54. Now I'll take a common factor, factorize the